Look, it is legit, it is free, it only takes 2 minutes and no special skills are required. Okay, I admit it, you got me. Yes, you got me. Samsung Notes is my favorite note-taking app, and since I am testing the Surface Laptop Studio, which I really like, by the way, there is this obstacle of cross-platform use for different devices, right? Well, kudos to the Samsung community who figured this one all out. The credit goes simply to you. On that note, welcome back, my beautiful people of the internet. For today, you will need your PC/laptop and your mobile phone. All I need from you is your undivided attention and maybe a like and or a comment, or maybe consider subscribing. That would be totally awesome. Thank you. And here's the deal. When you open up your Microsoft Store on your device and search for Samsung Notes, there are certain messages that will pop up, and you can see here, for me, I have Samsung Notes coming up, but there's no button or anything else to show for. I can browse and look at pretty pictures, but that's pretty much it. Others may see the following, where it says this app is not compatible with your device, and basically everything else is grayed out. Go to your mobile phone, any browser. I have chosen the iPhone on purpose to demonstrate there are no limitations. Open up the Microsoft Webstore via your mobile phone browser. Go to the Microsoft Store for your respective country. In doubt, you can always use the US Store. It is basically the equivalent of the installed store on your machine, on your laptop, on your Windows laptop, just as a web version. And that's it. That's the key here. It is the web version of the Microsoft Store. And it has to be done on a mobile phone, don't ask. Type in the search bar Samsung Notes, click on it so you have Samsung Notes as an option coming up. And it is important that you use your same Microsoft login as you have on your PC/laptop Surface device. That is also key here. Once you have Samsung Notes coming up, you will see the blue Get icon for this application. That's a good start. Right here. Click on it and it will go to the next page, and it will ask you which machine you want to have it installed. Before you go, there's a couple of things you need to know before you go and jump ship. So look, I have two Surface devices basically showing up here. I can choose which one to install it on, or I can install Samsung Notes on both devices. Yes, that is possible, free and all legit. Select your desired device, press install now, and you will see the message telling you that it is now installing on your device. Now go back to your laptop and open up the Microsoft Store, and you will be surprised what you will now see. Search for Samsung Notes and suddenly you will see a blue button which is called Open Sesame. Well, not just open, but that's the one you need to click on. Click on it. It will ask you to log in with your Samsung account. Once you verified that it is you, it will start syncing all your notes on your machine, just like you would use on any Samsung device. When you now go back to your mobile phone and log in again to the web version of the Microsoft Store, go to Samsung Notes, it will tell you that you now own Samsung Notes and you have the install option available for any device you have at your disposal now or coming in the near future. I will leave the Microsoft Webstore link in the description below, so you can just click on it. It is for ease of use, so you don't have to search for anything. Just click on it, it will take you right there. If all fails, follow the link in the description below. There is a full tutorial, step-by-step instructions you can use. Thank you for watching. Let me know if it worked for you. Thank you for watching. Peace out.